Today we're at the Holiday Inn in Independence, Ohio for a first-time convention on this channel. It's called Pezamania, the world's largest Pez convention where Pez candy and pulp culture collide. And this must be the door right here because there's a sign for Pezamania. I'm hoping we can find some Halloween themed Pez while we're in there. Let's get inside and check it out. Alright, this looks like a great place to start. You got your Muppet and Sesame Street characters, and I'm pretty sure I know them all. You got Gonzo, Miss Piggy's, Fozzie Bear, and from Sesame Street you got Big Bird, Elmo, Ernie and Bert, and Zoe, I think. And of course you got the iconic Cookie Monster. We got some Marvel and DC comic Pez with Spider-Man, Wonder Woman, Iron Man. We got some Wolverines, and don't make him angry, the Incredible Hulk. Alright, I'm gonna nerd out a little bit here on the Star Wars. You got the Emperor, a Porg, Grogu, Yoda, the Death Star, another Emperor, an X-Wing pilot, Chewbacca, R2-D2, and some stormtroopers. And in this row you got a Red Crimson Guard, C-3PO, an X-Wing pilot, Princess Leia, Darth Maul, Boba Fett, the Mandalorian, a third Emperor, General Grievous, Kylo Ren, Darth Vader, Obi-Wan Kenobi, who lives in a pineapple under the sea. Plenty of SpongeBobs here. Patrick the Starfish, Gary the Snail, and my favorite character, good old Grumpy Squidward. We've got a mashup of Looney Tunes and Bedrock characters here, starting off with Bugs Bunny, Daffy Duck, the Tasmanian Devil, and fun fact, all voiced by the iconic Mel Blanc. And from Bedrock we got Dino, Pebbles, Barney Rubble, and Fred Flintstone. And from Monsters Inc., Boo opened a door and found Sully, Randall, dang it, I don't know, Mike Wazowski. And from Finding Nemo we got Bruce the Shark, Dory, and the star of the movie, Nemo himself. Here's our pizza eating Ninja Turtles here, Michelangelo, Raphael, Donatello, Leonardo. Not sure if I got the colors and the names correct, but there's no sign of Splinter or Shredder though. Our heroes in a half shell. Check out these gigantic 12-inch Pez dispensers. Love that Donkey and Shrek. Everybody working this convention are super friendly. They will wheel and deal and even trade Pez dispensers with you. Thank you. Thank you very much. Alright, enough messing around. Let's find some Halloween Pez. Whoa, look at this creature of the Black Lagoon. And this Frankenstein and Wolfman, it's in the style of Universal Monster Pez. Of course, the ones I want are $300. There's plenty of ghosts, black cats. They got vampires and witches, bats and jack-o'-lanterns. And that mummy is really cool. Here at the Pezamania convention. Well, that's gonna do it. I just want to say until we meet again, Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time.